What's going on, guys? Welcome back to JTA Media. Today I'm going to show you the 3 things I bought off of Amazon. 3 little buys for my 11th gen Civic. Pretty cheap. First, RGB LED interior lights. I think they were like 28, 29 bucks. I'm going to have the link in the bio. You can control it through the remote or you can control it through your phone. Next up, seatbelt clips. Comes in a pack of 4. I gave 2 to my girl though, so stops that annoying ass beeping when you're driving around. And then next, this is what I had on my 10th gen Civic. Cleans up the steering wheel. Carbon fiber. Goes right over the middle. Held on by 3M tape. All this stuff was probably like 80 bucks total. That, and that. I'm not trying to make this video super long. I'm going to go in and install the lights and the steering wheel cap and the seatbelt joints. And I'm probably going to take you through the process, let you know where I ran the wires through the LED lights. We'll see. Hope this shit turns out good. Alright guys, so first off, we're going to install a steering wheel cover. Do the easiest part first. First you got to clean it with an alcohol pad. Clean the surrounding area. And then you're going to take all the red stuff off for the tape. And then it should just easily slide on. See? This shit's going banging. And the next, after that, we're going to install that. The seatbelt joint I already did. All it does is clip in, and then the light goes off. So you get the alcohol pad. Wipe everywhere that the tape's going to be. Clean it. Get all the dust off. Yeah, you don't want to drop it because there ain't shit on it. Should be good to clean this though. Clean it real good. And it should be good enough. Now you wait like 5-10 minutes for it to dry. Not even, then you can install it. There you go, I took all the tape off. Well, all the protecting tape. What you're gonna do is get it, slide it on, and just apply pressure where all the tape is for 30 seconds. Should look so much better. They should just do carbon fiber through the whole thing. I wanted to get this carbon fiber too. They sell carbon fiber for here inside near the gauge cluster, but that's too much. I don't like that. Just give her all the black is carbon. That's it. To hold it for 30 seconds, it should be good. Let's get on to the lights. For this light install, I don't think I'm gonna record it. I'll just show you the end product of where like I stuck it to and where I hit it at, because this shit's gonna be a bitch and I don't have nobody that film for me. So I'll show you the after product and then I'll try to get a recording of the night version. Let's see how it all finally looks. All right, I'll get back to you. All right, guys, I finally installed the lights. Shit was a bitch. You got a little wire showing, but nothing major. Here's the rear. There it is. The access wire back here, I tucked under the armrest. It was pretty easy. There's a long ass wire. Go from there to there. I tucked it under. And then over here, there's a little bit of wire over there. I tucked it under the pillar on the side, as you can see. I'll try to get the focus. It's going up the side over there, under there. That's the only wire you really see. This other side, I don't know why there's a big ass glare, but There's a cigarette lighter. I got that going towards the side. And then this, there's two ends. I got it going there, under here, under the seat. Pretty simple. Looks good. I'll show you how it looks at night though. Here they are working on the day. Still get a good amount of brightness. Hitting pretty good. And I'm sorry about my voice. Right now I'm going through COVID. Shit's a bitch. Me, my girl, my son, my daughter, we all caught it. But we're coming to the end. We could go back the 13th. Hopefully I can go back to work on the 13th. I miss work. I hate being home. As you can tell, I'm in my car working on my car. Don't forget to hit that like, comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Help support the homie get to 2K subscribers. If I get to 2K, maybe I'll do a giveaway. We all know how y'all like to do the giveaways. Maybe I'll do these lights in the giveaway. If you all want the lights, leave a comment below. Let me know. Peace out.